Do you want to grow hot peppers at home, even if you don't have a garden? Good news, you can grow spicy peppers easily in pots. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to grow hot peppers in pots the easy way, from seed to harvest. First, choose the right pot. Use a pot that's at least 25 to 30 centimeters deep with drainage holes at the bottom. Hot peppers love light, well-draining soil. Use potting soil mixed with compost or organic fertilizer. You can plant pepper seeds or use young seedlings. Plant seeds 1 centimeter deep, water gently, and keep the soil moist. Hot peppers need at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight every day. Place your pot on a sunny balcony, window, or outdoor area. Water when the topsoil feels dry. Don't overwater. Pepper roots don't like soggy soil. Feed your plants every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced fertilizer for faster growth and more peppers. After a few weeks, flowers will appear. Soon after, you'll see small peppers growing. This is the best part. Harvest peppers when they reach full size and color. Use scissors and never pull the plant. And that's it. Growing hot peppers in pots is easy and fun. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips.